Hey guys, I hope you're fine. Today I'm going to show you how to send automated emails when someone fills out your framework form using Customer IO and Zapier. I know you're probably thinking like, why are you using two tools? Just use Zapier. And yeah, you could be absolutely right. But here's the thing. We already use Customer IO for all our transactional emails in our platform. Our domain is there, everything set up there, and so why complicated things with another platform, right? And plus, Customer.io, it allows you to track everything. Like when someone submits a form and gets an email, we see if they opened it or clicked it, all of that. The whole team can track each user's journey. And so if you are using Customer or Mailchimp, it doesn't matter. This setup makes sense for you. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, first things first, you need to create a form inside of the framework. You should click insert and you should type form and drag it into the page. And to show the users more user-friendly, you need to edit it, and I previously edited it. And once you're here, you can see the form section, and to be able to trigger an webhook, you need to click webhook. And once you click it, as you can see in the API section, you need to add an URL. How can you get it? This URL, we're gonna create and zap inside of the Zapier, and we need to paste it into it. Okay, and let's click Zapier. But by the way, firstly you need to click assets and click zaps in the Zapier. Click new zap. Once you click the trigger section, and you need to click trigger, and you need to see the webhooks. And if you cannot see the webhooks, you most probably don't have premium features. I mean, it might be your free trial has ended, and also you don't have premium account. Most probably the reason is this. Click webhook, and as you can see, we created an webhooks appear. In the trigger event section, you need to click catch hook, because we are going to send the form submitter's data, right? We should click catch hook, click continue again. Yeah, as you can see, we created an URL. We need to copy it. We need to paste it in the API. And by the way, fallback is if your webhook is giving an error, they're gonna send you a warning email from framework. You should keep this, okay? And firstly, we need to test it out. Like, this is my email, this is my company email, like first name, last name, and company name. Let's click submit. By the way, you can add an animation to bottom. We currently have no animation, that's why we don't see it. Let's click test trigger. As you can see, my data came to do Zapier, right? And thanks to that, we're gonna send the form submitter's data to Customer.io in the next sections inside of the Zapier. In here, I'm in the steps. Okay, and continue with selected. And inside of this section, we're gonna add the Customer.io. Okay, let's click Customer.io, and in the action event, Oh, sorry, just a second. In the action event section, firstly you need to create the form submitter's data and we need to send it. Because after that we need to trigger an event inside of the customer IO. We need to do that step by step. And let's create this person or update a person if it has already been inside of the customer IO. Create person, and after that, if you haven't any implementing inside of the Zapier for the customer IO, you need to get a site ID and API informations from customer IO. How can you do that? By the way, I previously edited it inside of the Zapier, so I can see my site ID, and you should click settings button inside of the customer IO and click account settings. After that, you should click privacy, data and AI section, and you should click to your organization name. And after that, in the advanced section, you need to click API and webhook credentials. You are going to get API keys and site ID from here. I currently cannot show you because I don't have an admin account in the customer IO, so I cannot say it. Once you implemented it, connected it, you need to click here, and in the configure section, you need to select ID and email address, and also as an email address, click email. Okay. And by the way, I should send form submitters as a subscribe users inside of the customer. By doing that, you need to add an attribute. You need to type unsubscribed attribute, and you should select false. Why are we doing this? Because if you want to send an email to these users, we need to describe them as subscribed to my form, my campaign. Okay, let's click continue, test step. Oh, there's an issue. I'm not sure what it is. Just let me check. Unsubscribed, false ID, everything is okay. Retest step. Okay, it's okay. And I need to select one more step, which is customer IO. And then in the action event section, I need to create an event. And let's continue and click ID as an email. We should create an event. The name should be like framework form requested. And we need to select an event data. Clicked continue, test step. Everything is okay in the Zapier. Okay, before publish it, let's keep. We need to do some changes, and we should create a campaign in customer IO. Click create campaign inside of the campaign section, and choose we should create an event in the customer IO tool. Choose trigger. Here, choose event. We should write form, framework form requested people. Okay, click save and build workflows. Oh, I zoom out a little bit. Okay, zoom in. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, once we trigger this event, we need to send an email immediately to show it is working or not, right? Select email. By the way, you can create some delays. If you want to send this email a few days later, you can select delays, right? Okay, and click email, add content, and click rich text. If you like to edit it later, you can edit anytime. Thank you so much for submitting the form. You can download the report from here. You can say something like that. As an example, you can add google.com. Thank you so much. It should be like that. Save changes. This is my form. This is my email, which I'm going to send to my form submitter. Okay. Let's click here. Before test my form, we need to do some changes, like click email and click settings, and we should change the sending behavior to send automatically section. And if you want to send the email, click send automatically, click save. And also in the campaigns, we need to do some settings. In the goal section, click set goal, and you can choose a goal if you like to track it, but I'm going to select no goal. Save changes and messages. This is the crucial section, because previously I select and I sent the form submitters as a subscriber. So in the subscription preferences section, we need to click manage your newsletter preferences, click save changes. Yeah, I think everything is done. I'm going to change the campaign name, framer form request, right? Click save changes and start the campaign. Okay, show campaign, review, and we can analyze them from here. As you can see, one person has recently performed this event because I sent a test email, which is my email. I can remove it if I want. Okay, I deleted it. Okay, I like to show you how is it work by using temp mail. Click temp mail. Okay, let's click play and let's copy my email. This is my name, Can Özdemir, and Salta. Once we submit it, we should be see my email here, right? Okay, let's click submit. Let's wait a few seconds. Oh, I totally forgot. I should publish it in the Zapier. Okay, is it gonna be work or not? Let's click. Oh, I need to send it once. Okay, let's click submit. As you can see, the numbers has changed. And my email is here. And tada! Yes, my emails is here, and that's really good. And as you can see, we totally complete our email flow using Framer, Zapier, and Customer.io. That's really impressive, right? Yeah, and this is my Zapier email flow. And before we do that, we created a webhook. Okay then, thanks so much. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps a lot. If you have any questions, please reach me out from this video's comment section, and also reach me out from LinkedIn and from my emails. Don't worry about it. I'm going to add my informations in the description. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.